So this is day 9th and I am at of course Lake Khardungla, highest motorable road in the world at around 18,300 feet. And so this is day 9th for me. And if you want to see the whole trip from Mumbai, Delhi, Patni Top, Srinagar, Sonmarg, after Sonmarg work, then Leh, then guys, you need to watch the whole part from day 1 till day 9th. Now here's day 1 for you. So it's day 1 and we're all set to leave for Ladakh. I'll be going with my friend Arman and there's one more guy, his name is Christopher. He's one of my subscribers. He came all the way from Dehradun and now he want to join me till Delhi. So at the beginning I was a little dicey, but then I said okay. So it's me, Arman and Christopher. Christopher is waiting down actually, so I'll just wear my jacket and I'll just wear my shoes and then we leave. We are super excited. It's actually 7:40 in the evening. I know this is kind of a weird odd time to leave, but then we have our own plans which I'll explain you on the way. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we all are ready. So we have one Duke 390 2016 edition, my Duke 390 2013 edition, and we have an RC 390 15 edition. So Arman is riding his RC 390. Christopher is riding his Duke 390. Christopher has got his bike from Dehradun just to visit Mumbai, all the way from Dehradun. This is a brand new Duke 390. So he's joining me till Delhi. We're all set. Our luggage is all set. And let's go. So it's 8:20 in the evening and we have officially left for Ladakh, actually for Delhi, because our first stop, our first major halt where we'll stay is going to be Delhi. Whew. Now straight till Baroda. So I have to do like more 390 kilometers from here till Baroda, and then we have to take right to Halol. Okay, so we have done around 105 kilometers from Powai, and this is like this is the Char Roti toll Naka, and it's around, what is the time? The time is around 9:55 in the night. So not bad. We left around 8:15 and 10 o'clock. We are at Char Roti also. So far so good. It's 10:08 p.m. and we just crossed Maharashtra checkpost to Gujarat. So we are almost in Gujarat, as you can say. We're not really in Gujarat, but we'll enter Gujarat in like few kilometers. Okay, so we have done around 155 kilometers and this is our first fuel stop. We have refueled and now we'll drink some water from there. We'll use the washroom and then we'll proceed. Okay, to be very honest, I have no idea where am I, but I have done around 230 kilometers and it's 11:30 in the evening, in the night, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, the roads in Gujarat are just absolutely amazing. There's too many trucks, but that's okay. Okay, so we have done around 305 kilometers and we took a stop for some coffee and water. So far so good. Road is smooth. We're having fun, except this guy. His back is aching. What else you expect on an RC? But it's 12:30 and we'll reach Baroda like in next 1 hour. I mean, the moment we start riding after that. Baroda is just 110 kilometers away from here. The coffee is so extremely sweet.
क्या डायलॉग मारा बोल ना। चीनी झंडू बाम जितना नहीं, चीनी नहीं यार, कॉफी झंडू बाम जितना चीनी बोले जी यार।
अभी ठीक से नहीं बोला।
चीनी झंडू बाम जितना नहीं यार, बार बार
जाने दे ऐसे होता है।
कॉफी झंडू बाम जितना और चीनी बोले भर के।
Coffee is extremely sweet, but it's nice.
Everybody is doing susu on my left hand side. Oops. I'm sorry, uncle. Okay, there's a big traffic jam, and I'm so glad that I'm riding a motorcycle. Although I don't want to kill anyone. I hope even I don't want to get stuck ahead also. Oh my god, this is such a long traffic jam, man. At least a 3-4 kilometers traffic jam, if I'm not wrong. Oh please, no, let me pass. Ooh, fancy. Trucks everywhere, trucks everywhere, trucks. Do you remember this? I hope there is a way from here. You know what? I will not bore you with this traffic. I'll just switch on to the next scene.
So we have done कितना हो गया? 355 kilometers done. We stopped for fuel break. Baroda is around, I'm looking weird, I know. Baroda is around 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers, and the turn which we're gonna take for Halol is around 70 kilometers from here. These guys were curious, like where are we going and what's there on my helmet and all that. यहाँ क्यों आप? अहमदाबाद गुजराती मैं आपको मैं वीडियो में डालूंगा.
Okay, I think they are my subscribers. I'll just wait here and I'll talk to them for some time.
So it's 2:51. We have finally reached Baroda. This is the turn which we have to take for Halol and Godhra and all that. These two guys, they were waiting for me since I don't know how long, and it's like what so late in the night. It's almost 3. So I'll talk to them, then I'll take 10 minutes break over here and then I'll proceed. Quick update, we are still here. I know I'm looking weird because of this light. So yeah, we are having tea. Still have to take that turn now. We came from this direction. That is the NH8. That is Baroda over there, and we'll go over here, Halol, after having a tea with these guys.
Actually, for this Halol route, even motorcycle have to pay toll. But these guys, they told me that no need to pay the toll. Just go from the side, and wherever you see the cut, just take this route. So we are saving on a toll. I am sorry if you don't like it, but karna padta hai. So when I was here last time, it was like 8 in the morning, I guess. Dishan bhai, remember we were clicking pictures over here and going towards Godhra. We are at Kalol. There are like no warnings and so many unexpected speed breakers are coming, and we are like just flying over them at 100 kilometers an hour. Other than that, the roads are nice. It's amazing. It's smooth.
I look so champu. Anyways, so we have completed like around 530 kilometers, right? 530 kilometers from Baroda. We have done around 100 kilometers. Time to refuel, and so far so good.
Arman, okay? Christopher, okay? Chalo then, bhagao. Done around 573 kilometers from Mumbai. It's 5:25 in the morning, and everything is looking beautiful because sun will come out like in half an hour or so, and then after 3-4 hours it's gonna get very, very, extremely, very, very hot. I don't know which toll plaza was this. basically this is Modasa, and now we'll take this ride for Shamaji. So we took this ride now. This is like Modasa bypass road. Udaipur is like 158 kilometers from here, and we have done till now 603 kilometers. Okay, so finally we are connecting to National Highway number 8, and finally now we will take a halt and we'll eat something. Now the weather looks like it's gonna rain. I hope it doesn't rain. Okay, finally it's time for us to eat something or drink something maybe.
So it's early morning, and in spite of having breakfast, I'm having ice cream because they don't have anything to eat. They have samosa, which I don't want to eat now. So I'm just putting some sugar inside my body.
Time to refuel again. That's the problem with this kind of bikes. You have to keep on refueling again and again and again. Now Udaipur will come after 40 kilometers, after 50 kilometers, and then we'll take a halt and we'll eat something that time. So it's 8:10 in the morning, and yeah, we are taking too many halts. So, but we are not running behind schedule. We are still on time. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, so we are in Udaipur. So I think this is the perfect time for us to eat something. Yo, what's up, dude?
Enjoying, guys? The weather seems to be amazing because of the clouds. We are lucky today. Finally getting his chain tight.
Okay, so Ajmer is straight. अरे भैया ये दिल्ली किस तरफ आता है? दिल्ली हाँ. So basically we can go Delhi from here also and here also, but this one is faster because this one goes through Chittorgarh and the road is like very nice, and we can maintain a very high speed. That is the reason I want to go from here. Okay, so I have to take left from here for Delhi. Oh boy. So it's 10:40 in the morning. We have done around 830 kilometers from Mumbai, Powai actually. I feel little weak. I mean, lazy because it's too hot. But you know, straight road, riding fast, getting bored. So from here, most probably, I think I have to go Chittorgarh left. Doesn't say where is Delhi. Yeah, we have to go here. We drank Nimbu Pani and all that over here. Tushan Wasim, yaad hai ki nahi? We were here drinking Nimbu soda and all that.
So we are having sugarcane juice. This is my second. I mean, this is our second sugarcane juice. We'll have third also. Then we'll leave. We have done around 930 kilometers, and it's 11:35 in the morning.
The temperature is easily around 44, 42 degrees easily. It's so hot, I can't tell you. I've done 1014 kilometers. 1016 kilometers. Okay, so I'm just crossing Ajmer. So basically, if I'll go down this flyover, this is Ajmer, and now I'm heading towards Jaipur. Still in Ajmer, still in part of Ajmer, of course. Now we'll wait in some food court, and then later we'll continue our journey towards Delhi. क्या लगी?
Okay, so Delhi is just 300 kilometers away. We are on Jaipur Ajmer highway. I don't know which hotel, which restaurant. Finally, for some snacks, we wanted to go for McDonald's, but unfortunately, McDonald's was on the opposite side of the road. So tough luck.
So instead of 15 minutes, we waited here for like 1 hour. We ate dal chawal and dal chapati, and we had like coffee and drinks and lemonade. All we mixed up everything because we were very hungry. We didn't eat anything. Okay, so they are my subscribers. They were waiting for me here. Okay. So I'll just meet them. Even though I'm very late. Hi, man. Nikhil. 5:30 in the evening. We have done around 1,171 kilometers. Still 280 kilometers left for Delhi. And I am being very honest, I feel sleepy. Very, very, very sleepy and extremely thirsty.
Okay, now change of plans. Christopher was supposed to go to Dehradun, but it's too late, and I don't want him to travel through that route so late in the night because it's not really safe, and it's his first time. We were supposed to stay in Aryan's friend's house. Arman's friend's house. So now he's going to meet his friend. He'll stay with his friend. What I have done is I have booked a Oyo room in Karol Bagh area, and we're going to be staying. We're going to be sharing one room. And the reason I chose Karol Bagh is because tomorrow I'm going to install a carrier on my KTM Duke 390 because obviously I'm going to Ladakh.
So now it's 7:50 in the evening. We have just done 1,295 kilometers, 150 kilometers to go for Delhi. We were supposed to wait here for 5 minutes just to refuel. Instead of that, we waited here for like 1 hour because we were doing all the sorting out the hotels and everything. So let's go. Chal, Arman. Okay, so I'm almost there, almost reaching my hotel. Okay, so I have reached my destination. This is Karol Bagh area, Faiz Road. Now I have to find my hotel.
Okay, so I'm all fresh, just look wise, sleep wise, I'm very sleepy. So now it's day two, actually, it's the end of day two. We finished our ride, this is the second day, we reached Delhi and all that. Now, me, Pratik, Christopher, and Pranjal, we are going out to have a dinner. Then I'll come back and then I'll go off to sleep. So I'll end this part over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this first part. I know the first part was not really that interesting. It's just movement to Delhi. I know you guys are here to watch Ladakh. Don't worry, it'll come also. So tomorrow I'll fit a carrier on my bike, and then maybe tomorrow night or day after I'll leave for Jammu or Srinagar. As always, Kran, Alvida, Masalama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye. I'm laughing because. Bye bye.